improving.
Rain and cold is up there with traffic, but it's getting better, Eric.
It is. Some improvement. Can't get much colder than today across the area. We'll get some sunshine back in the region for tomorrow. Look at the high temperature map today. Not very high. We average one day a May that stays in the 40s in Boston. Today was our day. It's likely going to be the only one. We will persevere, but it was chilly out there. There was one record set. It was in Worcester. Coldest high temperature for the date, just hitting 44. The record previously 46, set back in 2006 there. The chilly air is across the Northeast. One more upper-level disturbance that's coming down across southern New England tonight, bringing with it some more scattered rain showers and some drizzle out there. We can take a little closer look on radar. Most of it's on the lighter side, but some steadier light rain coming down around the 495 corridor. Some minor rainfall accumulations overnight tonight. Temperatures haven't moved much from the daytime. They won't move much for the rest of the night. So we'll start the day in the 40s with mainly cloudy skies, but as some drier air works in and that upper-level system departs, we get some areas of sunshine to develop. It's not going to be a perfectly blue day, but there will be some sun, a breeze out of the west-northwest, a drier feel, and temperatures that do get to the 60-degree mark tomorrow afternoon. Everything in weather is relative, so compared to today's 40s, I think it'll feel much more comfortable to be out and about. Generally some low 60s in eastern Mass and upper 50s across the higher terrain, as well as across Cape Cod and the islands. Thursday, we're talking about middle 60s for most of the area, back to more seasonable conditions for this time of the year. And in terms of any rain chances, one quick system that dives through tomorrow night, so a chance for a scattered rain shower at worst. As we head toward Thursday morning, that will head offshore. There'll be one more chance on Thursday. As a little bit of a sea breeze develops in the afternoon, we may see a couple of spotty showers develop on that sea breeze, but many towns will stay dry. Then the next chance for showers would be on Friday afternoon and evening as our next storm system approaches. Both of these together, 1/10 of an inch, maybe 2/10 in a couple of towns. It won't be a lot of rain. I think the best chance overall will be for that Friday afternoon and evening batch. That would be the 10th Friday in a row with rainfall in Boston, by the way. But here's a little bit of a payoff. We do have those moderating temperatures. That front is offshore on Saturday, and right now, this Saturday looks just like last Saturday. A lot of sunshine, near 70 degrees. We'll take that. Then on Sunday, I think the biggest question is we're going to have a lot of storminess developing in the middle of the country in a warm front that starts to reach across the Great Lakes. The question will be if the cloud cover will come across New England along with that, or if we'll stay in the sunshine and some warmer temperatures. So we'll be keeping an eye on that over the next couple of days, kind of refining the temperature forecast. If we stay dry, midnight Friday night into midnight on Sunday night, it'd be the first completely dry weekend in Boston since St. Patrick's Day. You have to go back to the middle of March. So it's not just you. It's been fairly wet on the weekends. But what we'll be talking about a lot of over the next week will be a lot of Pacific energy that will be making its way into the West Coast. Unusually stormy. A lot of rain and snow across the West and California. Multiple rounds of severe weather in the middle of the country. And those storms will have a big impact on the ridge in the east, which for us is going to be all about whether or not we really warm up next week or if we're still on the battleground with the warmer air just to the south and west. So that will be a storyline as we make our way up to Memorial Day. But in the meantime, mostly 60s and 70s, not 40s and 50s. David and Lisa, back to you.
That is better. All right, thank you, Eric.